Okay, my name is Bryce Chacon, and this is my statistics project. So the article I chose was called "Which States Are in the South" by Walt Hickey. This article is talking about which states people believe are in the South. There were 2,528 people surveyed. Of those people surveyed, 1,135 considered themselves to be Southerner or be from the South, and 1,393 of the people did not consider themselves as Southern. And then I came up with a question to compare the data in the article. And I said, are people who consider themselves as a Southerner more likely to attend some form of college than someone who does not consider themselves as a Southerner? And I used a 0.05 level of significance or a 5% level of significance. And this is my data that I collected from the article. There was a sample size of 50 people. 29 of those people were considered themselves to be Southern, and then 21 considered themselves to not be from the South. 26 of the people that were considered Southerner had college experience, and 18 of the non-Southern people had college experience out of 21 people. And N1 is just the sample size, the first sample size of the Southern people, which was 29. N2 was the sample size of the non-Southern people, which is 21. And then to find P hat 1, you do 26 divided by 29, which is the Southern people with college experience divided by the total number of Southern people, and I got 0.897. For P hat 2, it's the same thing, just with the non-Southern people, so 18 divided by 21, and I got 0.857. Okay, and then P bar is the people with college experience divided by the total number of people, which was 26 plus 18 divided by 29 plus 21, and I got 0.88. And Q bar is just 1 minus your P bar value, and it's 0.12. And for my null hypothesis, I got P1 equals P2. For my alternative hypothesis, I got P1 is greater than P2. And for the equation that I chose is Z equals P hat 1 minus P hat 2 divided by the square root of P bar times Q bar divided by N1 plus P bar times Q bar divided by N2. And I plugged all those numbers into my calculator, and I got a Z value of 0.430. And to find the P value, I did normal CDF on my calculator. My minimum number was 0.430, E99, and then 0 and 1. The E99 is just 1 times 10 to the 99th, but you can write it as E99 in your calculator. 0 and 1 just are for normal distribution. Okay, and then after I put that in my calculator, I came up with a p-value of 0.3336. And since my level of significance was 0.05, I failed to reject this hypothesis because 0.3336 is way higher than 0.05. And so we conclude that there is not enough evidence to conclude that Southerners have more college education than non-Southerners. And then this is a bar graph of my data. Thank you.